Good morning, students. Welcome to Silver Bells Mansarovar Online Education. Myself, Vinod Trivedi. Today, we are going to discuss chapter number 12, India, Minerals and Energy Resources. Student, as we have already learned about what is resources, afterwards also we have discussed about water resources of India. As you know that water resources are requireable for agricultural purpose and drinking for living being, as well as minerals are useful to run our industries. Earlier time we had very basic requirement of life, but as we have developed, our needs have been also developed. So that is why we have need of different minerals. After identifying the minerals, we should have ability to utilize them also. And in this developing time, developing era, okay, we should have maximum minerals, so then we can achieve our targets also. So nowadays those country which have good minerals, their economy is going higher and higher. You can take example of Dubai. In previous year there was not much development in Arabian country, but after having knowledge of petroleum, after getting petroleum, they have become prosperous in the world. So what is the reason? Because on the base of minerals they can develop their economy. Okay, so in this lesson we are going to discuss about some minerals which are found in India, and by this way we have done our development. So let us start. Requirement of primitive man were limited, as I told. He worked only to sustain his life. Man conquered the heights of evolution. Minerals have a large role in the human progress, as I have given already one example of Arabian country, because earlier they didn't have any development, but after getting petroleum you can see the development in Arabian country. Mineral is a natural resource. The human evolution process is divided into various ages such as Stone Age, Bronze Age, Iron Age and Modern Age. Atomic Age. So already you have learned different ages in your previous standard. Okay, man has started his journey from Stone Age, and now we are in atomic age also. This age is also scary. In Stone Age, man used the stone for hunting, but now he is traveling into space. Earlier only there is not much need. Okay, there was need of only stone for hunting only, for killing the animals, for their own consumption, for fulfill their food requirement. But nowadays people, they are traveling on space, so without having different minerals it is impossible. So man's relation with minerals is very old and strong. Today minerals are considered to be the backbone of economic development of any nation, really. Okay, nowadays minerals, they are backbone of their any country's economy. Wherever minerals are found and wherever industries are established, the people of that countries, they do not do much in agriculture. Okay, but where there is a less industries, so there the work, there is the activity of agriculture is going to more and more, because of there is no other option. Okay, so that's the thing. Minerals are backbone of any country's economy. Okay, you keep this in your mind. Then US and Russia have become world power only due to proper use of minerals. Both countries are rich in variety of minerals and prosperity. Okay, that's the only knowledge. Over here knowledge cannot work. Minerals are needed in our earth crust. Okay, minerals are needed in the crust of particular nation, so they can utilize. If there is plenty, that there is much minerals in America, but it is useful for America, not for us. So that's the thing. Then both countries are rich in variety of minerals and prosperity. Even though our country has the potential use reserve of minerals, a long-term dependence and the absence of technical knowledge resulted in lesser economic development. Again, I am telling you one thing. Even though our country has potential use reserve of minerals, long time. Okay, there was much uh, mineral resources in our earth crust also, but there was less uh, education, there is less technology, and there is less knowledge. Because of that, we could not use these minerals for our purpose. And you know, because what are the reasons? Britishers and many more, okay, they loot India, and that is why we were unable to form a government. After uh, independence, after republic, we have started thinking about our industries, our agriculture, and all this, and gradually we have also done well. We have good rank for space research also, so that is not so bad. But what is this? Earlier, because of lack of the knowledge, we could not uh, get good development on base of minerals, because of not having technical knowledge. Nowadays you can see we are able to utilize our technical knowledge, and we are also using that minerals which are in our earth crust, and we have also big industries, suppose iron, so steel industries and all that. We have big industries, and we are exporting thing also. So now we have discussed introduction of the lesson. Now exactly we are trying to understand what is mineral. Mineral, students, the matter which is formed due to inorganic process and has certain chemical composition is called a mineral. The matter which is formed due to inorganic process, okay, and has certain chemical composition is called a mineral. Suppose mineral cannot form within 2 years, 3 years. Okay, it takes 1,000 years for forming in the earth crust, and because of chemical composition, pressure and many things, okay, it is formed. Okay, petroleum, coal, that are the reason by which way they can form. This is a result of abiotic process. You know what is biotic and abiotic? Abiotic, okay, non-living, and biotic, living things. So this is a result of abiotic process which took place in interior of earth since the infinite time. This solid, liquid or gaseous matter which is formed due to specific abiotic process within the rock in interior of earth has certain chemical composition, and homogeneous constitution and specific atomic structure is called minerals. Students, in very easy language I am telling you, actually this is what abiotic process. ये जैविक नहीं है, बराबर. तो सालों पहले कोई ना कोई नेचुरल कैलेमिटी से जो भी है ट्रीज या लिविंग बीइंग्स मर गए होंगे, ओके, और डट गए होंगे, और फिर सालों तक उसमें केमिकल प्रोसेस बनती रही. और सब इसमें मैं बता रहा हूँ वेजिटेशन भी आ गया, और मतलब कि दूसरे एनिमल्स और ह्यूमन बीइंग्स भी आ गए. और सालों की लॉन्ग प्रोसेस के बाद, कि मरने के बाद तो वो अबायोटिक हो गया, तो लॉन्ग प्रोसेस के बाद उसमें उसका फॉर्मेशन होता है कोई सॉलिड में, कोई लिक्विड में, और कोई गैसेस में, बराबर. तो इसलिए हम जो सॉलिड, जैसे कॉल सॉलिड है, मिनरल कॉल, या कोई दूसरे मिनरल्स आप ले लो, गोल्ड सिल्वर है सारे, तो ये जो सॉलिड बने, कुछ पेट्रोलियम चीज़ ले लो, वो भी मिनरल्स बोली जाती है, तो वो लिक्विड फॉर्म रहा, ओके. और नेचुरल गैस. सो एक लॉन्ग प्रोसेस के बाद उसका फॉर्मेशन होता है अर्थ के क्रस्ट में, अर्थ के बराबर क्रस्ट के अंदर. सो वी हैव डिस्कस्ड what is structure, okay, of the mineral and the definition. Now iron, manganese, gold, silver etc are solid mineral, as I told. अगर कोई भी क्वेश्चन आए कि give two example, the three example of solid minerals, so you can give iron, manganese, gold, silver etc are solid minerals. Mercury, petroleum etc are liquid minerals, and natural gas is included as gaseous minerals. So we have classified in three types: solid, liquid and gases. So you keep this in your mind. The type of minerals that are available from the interior of the earth depends on how the crust of earth originated. Very good. Just to see, iron, copper, zinc, gold and silver etc are found in igneous rock. Diamonds are found in metamorphic rock. Okay, what is igneous rock and metamorphic rock? Already you have learnt in your previous standard. That suppose iron, copper, zinc, gold and silver, they are found in which rock? Igneous rock. Other side diamond are found in metamorphic rock. That MCQs, otherwise Phillips will be asked, so make sure. Now beta, see, there is a classification of minerals is given over here. Metallic minerals, non-metallic minerals, minerals used as energy resources. Okay, on the use of, otherwise on because on the base of its property, there is one classification has been given over here. So let us see metallic minerals. In metallic minerals also 4 types. There is one another classification also included in this minerals, metallic minerals. So one प्रेशियस मेटालिक मिनरल. प्रेशियस मतलब बहुत कीमती है, जो जिसमें वो पाया जाता है वो समृद्ध हो जाता है. लाइट मेटालिक मिनरल्स, उसमें वेट कम, वेट के हिसाब से. मिनरल्स यूज्ड फॉर कॉमन पर्पज. कुछ मिनरल्स ऐसे है कि लगभग हर जगह पे सुई से बनाने के, बड़ी सी मशीन बनाने तक उसका यूज़ होता है. मिनरल्स यूज्ड एज एलॉयज. एलॉय मतलब मिक्सर, ये दोनों को मिला के कोई दूसरा मिनरल बनाया जाता है. तो ये 4 पहले समझ लेते हैं मेटालिक मिनरल्स. तो प्रीशियस मेटालिक मिनरल्स में कौन सी जाएगी बेटा? गोल्ड. एज यू नो व्हाट इज द रेट ऑफ गोल्ड नाउ डेज. देन गोल्ड, सिल्वर एंड प्लेटिनियम. they are costly mineral in short, precious. Light metallic minerals, okay, magnesium, bauxite, titanium, okay, they are light minerals. You have to learn this, nothing more. Minerals used for common purpose: iron, copper, lead, zinc, tin, nickel, okay, they are used in many purpose, in many industries, okay. So there are common, we can say. Then one other thing is this: minerals used as alloy. दोनों को मिला के दूसरा कोई मिनरल जो इंडस्ट्री के लिए अच्छा है ऐसा बनाया जाता है, तो है क्रोमियम, मैंगनीज, टंगस्टन एंड वेनेडियम। तो ये जो चार मिनरल्स एलॉयज में यूज होते हैं, मिक्सर करने के लिए यूज होते हैं। नाउ नॉन मेटालिक मिनरल्स, तो उसमें बेटा कौन सी जो आपको प्रॉपर्टी पता होगी, मेटालिक सॉफ्ट नहीं होते, वो स्ट्रॉन्ग होते, हार्ड होते हैं इन शॉर्ट, ओके, और नॉन मेटालिक जो होते हैं वो सॉफ्ट होते हैं। सो नॉन मेटालिक मिनरल्स: लाइमस्टोन, चॉक, एबेस्टॉस, माइका, फ्लोरोस्पार, जिप्सम, सल्फर, डायमंड। तो ये सारी चीज़ें जो है that are in non-metallic minerals. Then minerals used as energy resources, कुछ एनर्जी के लिए यूज होता है, ओके, व्हीकल चलाने के लिए और मतलब कि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के लिए भी। तो ये सारी चीज़ें कॉल, ओके, थर्मल पावर। आज हम कहीं भी है, हमारे पास बेस्ट सोर्स है सोलर एनर्जी का, बट स्टिल वी आर डिपेंडेंट ऑन कोल, ओके, फॉर एनर्जी पर्पज। मिनरल ऑयल ऑल्सो फॉर आवर व्हीकल्स एंड मशीनरीज। नेचुरल गैस ऑल्सो व्हीकल, यूरेनियम एंड थोरियम, ओके, उसका जत्था कम मिलता है अपने देश में, वरना अगर उसका सही तरह से यूज़ किया जाए तो बहुत कम जो उसका अमाउंट, उसमें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा एनर्जी प्राप्त की जा सकती है। सो दैट्स अ थिंग्स। सो वी हैव सीन क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ मिनरल्स, ओके, मेटालिक मिनरल्स, नॉन मेटालिक मिनरल्स, मिनरल्स यूज्ड एज एनर्जी। वेरी इजी है, थोड़ा लर्न कर लेना, आगे जाके वो आपको जो क्वेश्चन और साइज पूछी जाएगी।